I'm not too much up on aircraft, but I think this is pretty old. I think it's called a widgeon or something like that. And there's not too many of them left. Beautiful plane. There's Lake Eyak over there. It's been pouring rain every day. Just buckets coming down, a lot of wind, a lot of high water everywhere. I got a little break of it today, but everything out in the woods would be soaking wet, so I'm not going out. It was rain, as you can see by the wet roads and everything. It was raining right up till this morning. So I'm heading up Powder Creek Road. Haven't been out here in a while. See what develops. Well, this is about a 5-mile trip. This road twists and turns. Lots of potholes. Now I screwed up. When I put the camera on the dashboard, I forgot to take the waterproof case off. So the audio was all screwed up. And now I got to do a voiceover, which is always a pain. Now we call this Powder Creek Road because up at the other end of this road is one of our hydro plants. The other one is Humpyback Creek, which is up the bay from town. The only way you get there is by boat. Now we're just about 100% hydro. Do have a diesel backup. Because even here in a northern rainforest, We do get dry spell, and in the winter things freeze up. This road is full of pothole, twist and turn, no shoulder. Can't get too fast. Every year there's somebody in the lake. There's a salmon spawning creek up here, and I sometimes see the bears in here. It's just a luck of the draw if you do. Someone building a new house up on the left. They do plow this road in the winter, but it's nasty. Very slippery. Got to keep it open for the power plant. High water on the lake. Very silty. from the runoff. Pretty little waterfall coming down right next to the road. Coming up way up on the hillside there. Beautiful. There's the main creek, Power Creek up there. And this culvert where the fish come over this way. Yeah, there they are. Whole bunch of spawning salmon. There's Lunchbox. I come out here one year and there was a guy in a scuba suit with actually swimming in here, taking underwater pictures of the fish. Yep. Well, turning colors spawned out. And of course, spawning area, no fishing. And no bears. And there's Power Creek. This is the canyon it comes out of. Part of the power plant setup up there. Running fast. There's the old bus. 23 years old, still runs like a clock. This is where the creek keeps trying to shift over and take out the road. Flooding through the trees. We can't let that happen because the power line from the dam, or from the, there's no dam, it's a spillway type thing, runs under the road here. The way that power plant works is there's just like a diversion thing that sends the water down this spillway through the power plant. There's no fish up there, so there's no impact or anything from that. Been working good so far. Creek running through the rapids, raising a little fog up there. And trying to wash out right here. Plenty of rocks though. Well, heading on back. Coming up on Skater's Cabin. It's a public use cabin. People go ice skating in the winter and warm in by the fire. Sometimes they go swimming in the summer, but it's too cold. Open to everybody, buddy. Coming up on what we call the dirt strip, small playing field, main airport for the jets. It's 13 miles out the road, left over from the Army Air Base during World War II. Well, coming up on the end of it. Thanks for coming along.